How to create MetaMask wallet account. So if you want to create your wallet on MetaMask or your wallet account, it is very important. First of all, you want to simply open your MetaMask application, or if you're using on browser, you can use the MetaMask extension. I'm pretty sure you must know how to use those. Now, when you open up MetaMask, this is the interface you will see whether you're on mobile or anywhere. First, agree to the terms and conditions. And if you already have a wallet, by the way, you can import an existing wallet. But since we're trying to create a new account, you have to click on create a new wallet button here. After we do that, click on the I agree button. It will ask you to simply generate and use a password. So go ahead and then make sure to enter the 4-digit or the other options type of password that you have. Understand the terms and conditions and click on the create a new wallet option. Now, after you've done that, it will basically actually ask you to secure your wallet. So it says before getting started, watch a short video to learn about your secret recovery phrase. Now, what you can do is you can select secure my wallet recommended button here, and it will ask you to write down this 12-word recovery phrase and save it in a place that you trust. So now it will give you a recovery phrase where you have to click on reveal secret recovery phrase and make sure to actually store this somewhere safe, and do not share this recovery phrase with anyone. Even I will blur them out in the video. And once it will show you the recovery phrase, now it will ask you for a test to enter some of the missing recovery phrase here. So make sure you go ahead and enter this missing recovery phrase as well. And after you've entered your recovery phrase, again, as I said, you must have made sure to actually store those 12 recovery phrase somewhere or memorize it, and then just hit the done button. After that, your MetaMask install is complete. So we can click the done button and hit the done button. And now we can simply open our MetaMask account by clicking the MetaMask icon or using the MetaMask app. And this is the way on how we should be able to go ahead and then basically create an account on MetaMask using a wallet. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.